Richard. Our project today is Martini piano table. The tools and supplies you need are grout, thin set, square notch trowel, hammer, a 2-inch putty knife, tile spacers, and if you don't have a tile saw, a handheld tile saw works great. And of course, tile. The best way to go is down to your local tile store. They usually have boxes of discontinued tiles, and they usually want to get rid of them and sell them cheap. Well, let's get started. We're going to give a facelift to our outdoor concrete patio table. We start by cutting out the Martini glasses. We add a couple of olives. We cut them out with our Rotozip. Next, the piano keys. We lay out our pattern and mortar it to the tabletop. We start breaking up tiles to go in between the pattern and the trim. Once it's all laid in, we clean the excess thin set. We follow the keyboards across the benches and fill it in just like the tabletop. Next, you grout the tile. We'll get lots of extra years out of this patio set. If you want to see more, go to www.infantinoart.com.